Now, after a short summer break, it's time once again to put somewhere in the southeast on the map. Sara's with me now, and you've been exploring Selmeston, Sara.
Yeah, and around that area, actually, really beautiful part of the world, of course, in Sussex. And normally for On the Map, I go and see things that have been there for centuries, maybe thousands of years. But this week, I've been lucky enough to go somewhere that was just brand new, and hopefully will be there for years to come. As any visitor to the South Downs knows, there are delights scattered right across this landscape. Some are hidden in the medieval churches, housing treasure troves of times past. Reverend Peter Blee has been a driving force in joining 7 of these churches together in a new circular pilgrimage route. We start at Berwick, with the magnificent Second World War frescoes and paintings by Bloomsbury artists.
We're calling it the Cuckmere Pilgrim Path. It's about 10 to 12 miles long. It takes in these 7 churches which are based around the River Cuckmere. Each church has its own character and rich history, and the landscape which links them is incredibly beautiful and also has a lot of history to it.
But not all of the sites in these churches are centuries old. In fact, today at Selmeston, a brand new stained glass window is being installed, commissioned to commemorate the new Cuckmere pilgrim route, bringing much excitement to this village.
The inspiration was, first of all, the map of the river valley here. It has the green river valley, it has the white chalk hill. At the bottom of the window there will be the outline of a foot. So pilgrims whose feet hurt may actually pick up on that.
As we leave, there's still some work to do before the window is finished, but the final result will be waiting to greet any future walkers as they take a pilgrimage around the Cuckmere Valley, hopefully for centuries to come. Left you with a little bit of a cliffhanger there, didn't I? But I will show you at 6:30 tonight what the finished result looks like. I have to, though, of course, move on to some severe weather. It is already pretty stormy out there across the southeast, and the reason is because we've broken that heat wave. We all know that. Here's a little area of low pressure. It's kicked this frontal system towards us. It is sparking off thundery downpours as I talk to you right now. We've got a Met Office weather warning, an amber warning. We've moved that up then, elevated that from a yellow warning earlier. Goes on until 10 o'clock this evening. Hit and miss. No one is immune. Any one of us could see these. We could see as much as 50 millimetres of rain. That's a month's worth of rain in a very short space of time. That will cause some localised flooding. It will cause issues on the road, I think, through this afternoon. You can see, though, that those storms do clear up overnight tonight. It's going to be a pretty humid all night, though, with all that rainfall around. Temperature staying up at around 16 Celsius. Chance of seeing a few more showers tomorrow. Again, they could be lively. Not as many as today, not as heavy as today's. It'll still be warm. I'll give you the fuller forecast later at 6:30.
Sara, thank you very much indeed. That's it from the lunchtime team. Do have a lovely afternoon. Goodbye.